Morning, dear students. As we are continuing workbook Navneet and lesson number 14, so we are continuing from our next question, that is question number 6. The weight of a female dog is 6 times the weight of its puppy. If the weight of the puppy is 3.5 kg, then what is the weight of the female dog? 6 times more. So, write this way: the weight of the puppy equal to 3.5 kg. Sign of therefore, the weight of the female dog equal to, it will 6 times more, so 3.5 multiply 6. So 6 5s are 30, 0 carry 3, 6 3s are 18 plus 3, 21. Here point after one digit, so from right side after one digit point come over here. So cut down this 0. The answer is 21 kg. So the weight of the female dog is 21 kg. Next question, number 7. Ratilal gives 6.5 kg of food to his buffalo every day. How much food will be needed to feed the buffalo for 30 days? Right over here, Ratilal gives 6.5 kg of food every day. Sign of therefore, for 30 days equal to 6.5 multiply 30. So first of all we have to multiply 6.5 by 3. So 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 3 6 are 18 or 1 19, and bring this 0 over here. Here it is point after one digit. So from right side after one digit point will come, and our answer is 195 kg. Come for the next question, that is question number 8. Look over here. The weight of any object on the moon is 1/6 times its weight on the earth. If the weight of an astronaut is 78 kg on the earth, then what will be his weight on the moon? Right this way: weight of an astronaut equal to 78 kg on the earth. Weight of an astronaut equal to 78 kg on the earth. Next we have to write weight on the moon. Weight on the moon of this particular astronaut, that is 78, multiply 1/6. If we divide 78 by 6, we got 13. So 13 ones are 13, that is 13 kg in the moon. So the weight of the astronaut is 13 kg on the moon. Come on for next question, that is question number 9. the weight of one chocolate is 80 gram. By how many such chocolates can you make a box weighing 2 kg? Write this way. Weight of one chocolate equal to 80 gram. Now weight of a box equal to 2 kg equal to 2000 gram. Now write sign of therefore number of chocolates equal to 2000 divided by 80. Here it is the division. 80 2s are 160. After subtraction got 40. Then 85s and bring down this 0 over here. Then 85s are 400. So the answer is 25. That means number of chocolates equal to 25. Come for next question. Question number 10. Two tables each having a weight of 5 kg, two chairs each having a weight of 10.5 kg, and two cupboards each having weight of 45.5 kg are there in a camel cart. How much total weight is there in the camel cart? Now solve this way. Weight of a table. A means 1. Weight of a table equal to 5 kg. Now weight of two tables equal to 5 multiply 2, that is 10 kg. Now weight of a chair equal to 10.5 kg. Now weight of two chairs, that is 10.5 multiply 2. 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 0 0 plus 1, that is 1, and 2 1s are 2. Point after one digit from right side after one digit point, that means 21 kg. Next it is weight of a cupboard equal to 45.5 kg. Now weight of two cupboards equal to 45.5 multiply 2. 5 2s are 10, 0 carry 1, 2 5s are 10 or 1 11 carry 1, 4 2s are 8 or 1 9. Point after one digit, so from right side after one digit point, that is 91 kg. Now total weight in the camel cart equal to tables 10 kg, chairs 21 kg, cupboards 91 kg. So add all three, that is 1 plus 1 2, 9 plus 2 11, and 1 12, that is total weight is 122 kg. Come for the next question. You put 11 marks. Number 11 put over here. How many cubes having a side of 5 centimeter can be arranged in a cuboid box measuring 25 centimeter into 15 centimeter into 10 centimeter? So write this way. Volume of the cuboid box. Volume of the cuboid box equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. So 25 multiply 15, multiply 10. All are centimeter, so write over here centimeter cube. 25 multiply 15 multiply 10 centimeter cube. Next, volume of a cube equal to length multiply length, or you can write side multiply side multiply side. So 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 centimeter cube. Next, number of cubes equal to, we have to divide the cuboid box, this is the larger one, divide larger one by smaller one. So 25 multiply 15 multiply 10 divided by 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So 5 multiply 3 multiply 2, 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So 30, number of cubes equal to 30. Number of cubes equal to 30. Come for next. The measure of a curtain is 32 centimeter multiply 24 centimeter multiply 5 centimeter. How many soaps, each having a measure of 8 centimeter multiply 4 centimeter multiply 2 centimeter, can be arranged in this curtain? Can be arranged in this curtain. Solve this way. So volume of the curtain equal to 32 multiply 24 multiply 5 centimeter cube. 32 multiply 24 multiply 5 centimeter cube. Now volume of a soap equal to 8 multiply 4 multiply 2 centimeter cube. Number of soaps equal to 32 multiply 24 multiply 5 upon 8 multiply 4 multiply 2. Upon means division. So now cut over here. 8 4s are 32, 4 6 are 24, and again 2 2s are 4. So in up it is 2 multiply 6 multiply 5. 5 6 are 30, 32s are 60. So the number of soaps are 60. Come on for next question. A tank has a length of 50 centimeter, breadth of 20 centimeter and depth of 16 centimeter. Find its volume. So solve this way. First write length equal to 50 centimeter, breadth equal to 20 centimeter, depth means height equal to 16 centimeter. Now volume equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. So 50 multiply 20 multiply 16. Here it is 50 2s are 100 and then another one 0, that is 1000 multiply 16. So 16 multiply 1000, that is 16,000 centimeter cube. So the volume of the tank is 16,000 centimeter cube. Next question. That is Shailesh Bhai wants to order ready concrete for a space having a length of 8 meter, breadth of 5 meter and depth of 10 centimeter. How many cubic meters of concrete will he need? So solve this way. length equal to 8 meter, breadth equal to 5 meter, and depth, that is height, equal to 10 centimeter. These two are meter and this one is centimeter. So we have to convert centimeter into meter. As we know, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So 10 divided by 100, cut these two zeros. So 1 upon 10, that means point after 2 digits. So 0.10 meter. 0.10 meter. Now volume equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. So length 8, breadth 5 and height 0.10. These two, if we multiply, got over here 40 multiply 0.10. After that we have to multiply. You can multiply this way also. 40 multiply 1 upon 10. So 10 4s are 40 yani 4 1s are 4. So the answer is 4 cubic centimeter. 4 cubic meter, not centimeter, 4 cubic meter. Our answer is 4 cubic meter.